Hi kids! Welcome to another exciting adventure where we get to learn about some of the coolest construction vehicles around. Are you ready to meet some awesome construction vehicles today? I bet you are. Let's go on a fun adventure and see what these cool machines can do. We'll learn about their special jobs and how they help build the world around us. First up, meet the excavator. This powerful machine is like a giant arm that can dig deep into the ground. Excavator says, "I dig deep holes." With its big bucket, it can scoop up lots of dirt and rocks. Can you all make a digging sound like an excavator? Dig, dig, dig. Great job, everyone. You all look like little excavators. Excavators help dig out foundations for buildings and make big holes in the ground. They are essential for starting any big construction project. Next, here comes the bulldozer. This strong machine is great at pushing things around. Bulldozer says, "I push big piles of dirt." With its wide blade, it can move a lot of earth in no time. Can you show me how you would push dirt? Push. Awesome! You all have strong muscles like a bulldozer. Bulldozers are super strong and help clear the land for construction. They make sure the ground is flat and ready for building. Oh, look, it's the dump truck. This vehicle is like a giant carrier that can transport heavy loads. Dump truck says, "I carry heavy loads." It can haul dirt, rocks, and other materials to different places. Can you make the sound of a dump truck engine? Vroom, vroom. Great. You all sound like real dump trucks. Dump trucks carry all the dirt and rocks away from the construction site. They help keep the site clean and organized. And now, meet the cement mixer. This machine is like a giant blender that mixes up concrete. Cement mixer says, "I mix up concrete to build strong structures." It spins around to mix cement, sand, and water together. Can you spin around like a cement mixer? Spin, spin, spin. Fantastic, D. You all look dizzy like a cement mixer. Cement mixers mix cement, sand, and water to make concrete, which is used to build roads and buildings. They are crucial for making strong and durable structures. Last but not least, we have the crane. This tall machine can lift heavy things high into the sky. Crane says, "I lift heavy things high into the sky." With its long arm, it can reach the top of tall buildings. Can you stretch your arms up high like a crane? Lift, lift, lift! Wow, great job! You all look like tall cranes. Cranes are super tall and help lift heavy materials to the top of buildings. They are essential for building skyscrapers and other tall structures. Wow, kids. These construction vehicles are amazing helpers, aren't they? Each one has a special job that helps make construction projects possible. They all work together to build the world around us. From digging foundations to lifting heavy materials, they make construction look easy. Which one is your favorite? Do you like the powerful excavator, the strong bulldozer, the helpful dump truck, the mixing cement mixer, or the tall crane? Let me know in the comments. I can't wait to hear which one you like the most. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more fun learning adventures. We have so many exciting things to explore together. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye. Have a great day.